In this video, we'll show you how to manage brands on your admin dashboard, whether it's viewing, editing, deleting, or adding new brands. Once you open the Brands section, you'll see a list of all the brands added to the platform. Each entry shows the brand image, name, creation date, status, whether it's active or inactive, and a set of action buttons. To edit a brand, simply click the edit icon. You can change the brand name or upload a new image. Once updated, changes are saved instantly. To delete a brand, just click the delete button. The selected brand will be removed from the list. Need the brand ID? Just click the copy icon and it's ready to paste wherever you need. Use the search bar to quickly find any brand. Just type the name, for example, Good Food, and it'll instantly appear in the list. You can also export the entire brand list to your local system in a single click. Great for offline access or reports. To add a new brand, just click the Add button. Enter the brand name, upload its image, and it will be added to the platform instantly. And that's it.